Pune. Welcome to the bustling heart of the Pune city. So I'm here on Satara Road near Swargate next to Hyundai Service Showroom. So guys, something is going to happen on Satara Road where we are coming with the beautiful commercial hub. So guys, you can see Tanishq flagship showroom beside me. Not only this is the most commercial and the tallest tower near Swargate. So we also have the higher security in the valet parking, and you can see we also have the parking attendant where they will park your car safely and securely. So guys, your car has been taken care of all the things where you get all the valet parking, and the attendant will take care of all the stuffs. So here your journey starts with the Ivory Tower with the grand entrance, and as you step in you can see the lavish lobby all beside me. Not only this, you will be greeted and treated in style. So have a look on the lavish lift with the capacity of the 13 person with 884 kg. And one more thing would I like to add, that is the high speed of this lift. So this is the most premium and the most fastest lift you can see in the Ivory Tower. I'm going to show you the lovely office lobby, and not only this, I'm also going to show you the lovely passage with a width of 7 feet. Now I'm going to take you to the tour of the ready to move office. So let's have the look. So this office area is 622, and yes, these offices are for the sale, and you can also see that these offices are already ready to move. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and grab the opportunity as soon as possible, because we have the limited offices left out. So this opportunity for you. So go and grab out soon. So I'm most excited to show you this premium office, because this is one of the most important office of the Ivory Tower, attached with 2 toilets, and this is the most premium and the lavish space which all you can see. आपण जे ग्लासेस बघू शकतो हे वॉटर रेजिस्टंट आहे, हीट प्रोटेक्शन आहे, आणि एवढंच आहे की आपल्याला हा जो ग्लास आपण बघू शकतो हे साऊंड प्रूफ आहे, म्हणजे अजिबात बाहेरचा आवाज आतमध्ये येत नाही. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट प्रीमियम क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस प्रीमियम ऑफिस स्पेस. So we can see the 3-sided glass with the natural lights, and not only this, if you are working at the office spaces, guys, if you're a doctor, engineer, architect, CA and any other IT profession, so this is the best place where you can work. So guys, what are you waiting for? Take the decision right now and be there and be the owner of this beautiful office. We understand that every business is unique. So here we have got you the premium spaces with 557, 622 and 1458 carpet area. So we have the mesmerizing came in with the beautiful view. So just have the look. Ivory Tower cafeteria apart, it is an expensive outdoor terrace. Everybody loves to hang out with their colleagues and with their office people, where you can enjoy your meal, lunch, dinner and many more. Imagine hosting your next corporate event, seminar or conferences in one of these impressive spaces. With 3 conferences halls, we have the spacious car lift, and we have the ample parking space for each and everybody in the Ivory Tower. So finally we are here on the top floor, where you can see the entire view of the Satara Road, and not only this, we also have the further metro connectivity. Thank you for joining me on this tour. It was a lovely tour. We look forward to welcoming you to the Ivory Tower. So guys, we are waiting for you. So do come and visit us. Thank you so much.